In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam account value. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see a clear estimate of what your Steam library is worth, how much you may have spent, and how many games you own, all using a simple online calculator. First, you'll need your Steam profile URL or your Steam ID 64. The fastest way to get this is to open your Steam profile in a web browser and copy the address from the URL bar. If you're using the Steam client and don't see a URL at the top, turn on the web address bar in the settings, then return to your profile and copy the link. If you prefer using your Steam ID 64, you can find it on your profile page as the long numeric identifier. Either option works the same for the calculator. Next, head to a reputable Steam account value calculator. You can find one with a quick web search. Most tools have a single text field on the homepage. Paste your profile URL or your Steam ID 64 into that field. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link, then start the scan. If your library is large, give it a moment to process. If the calculator can't access your data, make sure your profile is set to public and that your game details are visible. This is important because the calculator needs permission to read your library. In your Steam privacy settings, set your profile to public and under game details, ensure it's visible to everyone. You can switch these back after you're done if you prefer a more private profile. Once the scan completes, you'll see a breakdown of your account. The total store value of games is the combined current store price of the titles in your library. Think of this as what it would cost today to buy everything you own at standard pricing, not necessarily what you paid. Estimated spending is the tool's best guess at how much you might have spent over time, often based on historical prices and typical discounts. It's an estimate, so expect some variance. Gifts, bundles, regional pricing, taxes, and free-to-play titles can all affect accuracy. Finally, you'll see the number of games owned, which counts the licensed games in your library. Some calculators may include or exclude DLC and non-game items differently, so read any notes on the results page. A few quick tips. If results look off, refresh the page after adjusting privacy settings, and verify you pasted the correct profile link or ID. That's all you need to check your Steam account value quickly, clearly, and safely.